Missed Bitcoin and NFT trends? Don't worry. In 2026, AI influencers are the next big wave. Today, I'll show you how I create my own AI influencer using Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio and start earning money with Higgsfield Earn. Anyone can earn, even without a huge audience. Just like Bitcoin and NFTs were trending earlier, AI influencers are taking over now. With Higgsfield, you can create your own influencer, generate videos, and earn rewards based on views. Let's start with character creation. First, go to the link higgsfield.ai from the description box. This is the Higgsfield dashboard. Click on AI Influencer. On the left side, you will see some pre-built characters. I selected Jupiter from here. On the right side, you can choose the character type: human, ant, bee, iguana, and more. Here are the genders you can select, and I chose man. You can also select ethnicities, including multiple options. This is the skin color selection. You can choose different eye colors and styles. There are also options for different skin conditions. This is the age section, and I selected adult. In advanced settings, you get even more detailed options. Different face styles, eye types, mouth and teeth variations, ear styles, horns, face skin material and surface patterns. I selected solid here. You can see all the styles you added, and you can remove any if needed. After making all selections, click Generate Influencer. Wait a few moments for the influencer to generate. Here is the generated result, created in 2K resolution. You can regenerate by clicking here or edit the image with Nano Banana. For example, I asked to add an iPhone. I selected 9:16 ratio and clicked Generate. Here is the updated result. Now, go back to AI Influencer Studio and create a model with my own prompt. Remove all the previous styles. Keeping only Jupiter. Click Generate. Click on the video icon to explore the Viral Motion Library, which makes it easy to create live movement for your influencer. Here, you will see a bunch of motion videos to choose from for your AI influencer. You can also use your own prompt for motion, but for that, you need to disable Scene Control mode. By clicking here, you can upload a reference motion video to copy the exact movement. I'm going with a sample video from the motion library. Disable Scene Control if you want to use your own prompt. I chose Scene Control mode and 1080p resolution. Then, click Generate. Here is the result. showing how the motion is copied from the reference video. Let's try another motion. Here is the second result. Click here to download the video. Step 2. Earn money. Go to the link higgsfield.ai/earn. Monetize your video in 3 simple steps. Login, post, get your money. Click on Start Now. Select the best account type for you. Then enter your Instagram username. Enter an email address for Higgsfield signup and click Continue. Check your email and paste the verification code, then log in. Copy the code and add it to your Instagram bio. Then save. Click Verify Account, and after verification, you can remove the code from your bio. Here, you will see active campaigns where you can upload videos and earn by following the instructions. Go to your Instagram, copy the video you made with Higgsfield, and paste it here to submit. After submitting, you will earn money according to your video performance. So, make a viral video with Higgsfield AI Influencer. To earn your first $30, simply copy this text, paste it in your bio, and try again. After a few simple steps, you will be able to earn your first $30. AI influencers are one of the easiest side hustles in 2026. You don't need a huge audience, expensive equipment, or risky investments. Brands are now hiring AI influencers alongside real creators. With just a few clicks, you can create, animate, and monetize your own AI influencer. If you want to create your own AI influencer and start earning with Higgsfield, click the links below. Generate your influencer, make videos, and track your earnings, all in one platform. Thanks for watching.